Hello everyone, welcome to African North Food. I hope everybody is well. Today we are going to make something delicious, fabulous and quick. So it's a jollof, spaghetti jollof we're going to make. So we have our base here, a tomato base. Yeah. Okay. If you have not seen my base tomatoes sauce, you can go ahead and watch it. I have a video for that. So I'm going to use this two here. I have my pot here and here. Okay, and then I'm going to add my beef my chicken stock in there as well. There. All right. And I'm gonna mix it together and leave it to cook a bit, and then I'll add my spaghetti into it. It's very simple and easy. So our stew is ready. I'm going to add my spaghetti into it. This is how you do it. Just leave it and it goes in. Okay, so our spaghetti jollof is in now. We're going to leave it to cook slowly. Make sure you put it on a low heat so it will cook nicely. Okay. All right. Okay, so it has been 10 minutes and look how beautiful it looks. Look at that. Very, very nice. Another 5 minutes and it'll be done. Spaghetti is done. So I'm going to add a bit of bell pepper and spring onion into it. Like that. Mix it together. Ooh, this is so beautiful. Look at that. Nice. So it's done. I'm going to dish this. Okay, so this is it. It's nicely done. It smells nice. I'm adding parsley on top of it and it's done. Yeah, I hope that was helpful. That was quick. It took us about 20 minutes altogether to do it. Make sure you have your base, your spaghetti and your chicken stock, wherever you add it, and then that's it. Bits and pieces. You can add even carrots, any vegetables of your choice you can add into it, and that's it. It's done. Thank you for coming today. I hope to see you again, and please like, share, subscribe and comment. We'll see you soon. Bye.